Urine smell. Never again. With this trick, your bathroom will be as good as new. It will get rid of the urine smell. Mix it up and you have a fragrant, clean, germ-free bathroom. Before I teach you how to do it, comment here below on the city or country where you are watching this video from. And for the trick, we will need 2 cups of baking soda. Baking soda is great for cleaning and disinfecting bathrooms, and even the kitchen. Half a cup of liquid detergent of your choice. 70% alcohol, either liquid or gel, to finish. I used a 1/4 cup of 70% alcohol in liquid. First, add the bicarbonate in a container. Then mix the detergent little by little. Like this, with a spoon. Now we are going to add the alcohol, until the point of our recipe is reached. And keep mixing. When it reaches this point, we can already make our balls. With a spoon, take a small amount and put it in your hand. Continue shaping the balls. Once all the balls are ready, leave them in the sun for about 1 to 2 hours so that they can dry. Once the balls are dry, store them where you prefer until the moment you want to use them. You can store them in a pretty container and put them in your bathroom. Before you add the pellet to the toilet, I will teach you a trick to activate the power of the pellet. Pour about half a cup of vinegar into the water in your toilet bowl. Then put the pellet in, let the foam form, and then scrub. Baking soda is a great bleach, and together with vinegar, they make a powerful cleaning blast, as you can see. You can increase the recipe if you have more bathrooms in your home, or want to leave it ready to use during the week. Today's message is in Galatians 4:4. But when the fullness of time had come, God sent forth his Son, born of a woman, born under the law. God's loving nature is so evident in his decision to send his Son. It was not a pleasant time to be born. People worshipped idols, sacrificed children, used religion to exclude and persecute, and thus had closed their hearts. However, in the fullness of time, Jesus saved everyone. The very ones who wanted to hang the Son of God on a cross were the very ones God had sent his Son to save. The fullness of God's time is more than perfect, it is more than merciful. Stay with this reflection. Until the next video. Bye.